Invisibly is reinventing the way you make money online. Data is one of the most valuable commodities today. The simple truth is when you interact with the World Wide Web, big tech is collecting your data behind the scenes. Their goal is to use your data to learn more about you in order to personalize your feed to increase sales and turn a profit. While big tech earns, consumers are left behind and don't receive a cut of the profit that was made based on the personal information that they shared. So we are changing it up. Invisibly is here to pay up for what big tech owes you for the data you create and share. It is important to us to give you a cut of the transactions that happen behind the scenes. Your attention and data are the most valuable commodities today. Why not get a cut of the profit for the work you put into the algorithm? Your every interaction with your Invisibly feed gives you a point, and you can earn up to 20 points in a day by curating it. Every 100 points can be redeemed for $1, and we make it easy to cash out when you reach 500 points. We offer more than just control over your algorithm, you can also answer survey questions and redeem brand offers to earn extra points. This is only the beginning, more ways to earn are coming soon. We are creating an AI-powered platform with a feed that's a true extension of you. It's so much more than a feed strategically targeted at you by big tech. Invisibly is all about giving you control and giving you a cut of what you deserve. With Invisibly, we make it easy to engage, share, and most importantly get paid.